It's Thredup Thursday. Welcome, y'all. I'm Christina. I'm a part-time reseller on platforms like Poshmark, eBay, and the Real. Today, we are going to be opening a Thredup fun box, which is one of my favorite boxes to do. I've had so much good luck just in the past finding little treasures in these boxes that just really can't stop ordering them. So we've got one here today from Mechanicsburg. And I'm not sure when I ordered this one, but we will see if this one is good. If you guys enjoy unboxings and you're not subscribed to the channel, please do. We would love to have you. We have lots of fun over here. I do unboxings twice a week, and I usually do a recap over what I've made off of some of these boxes. Did not do one this week because it was Christmas. So, but next week we will have another recap. All right, this is the fun box. You get 10 miscellaneous items for $34 plus shipping plus tax. I have been using my $20 rewards credits on these to help with the cost. Also helps with my profit, so that's great. And this one I ordered on September the 19th. So let's see what we got. I'll give you a little peek off the top. There's a little peekaboo in the paper. I'm already loving this. I can already tell I'm going to love this box. And I don't know that there's anything high profit in here, but when I see a lot of different types of items, I get really excited. I like a big variety in these boxes, and I feel like this one looks kind of themed. I see like some greens. I see maybe a pair of shoes in here and a hat and some jewelry. So this is making me so excited. Okay, so let's start right here, the piece of jewelry. This one is in a little baggie. It's a necklace. Oh, there's two in here. Okay, so that's the other thing. We'll have to go back and count the items because sometimes like this might count as one, even though there's two things in here. Okay, so we have this little pouch that says 1 in a billion. It says, you do your thing. I can't read all of it because the necklace is blocking it. And you are seriously amazing. So it's a bunch of nice words. And I can't read the whole thing because this necklace is blocking it. But you've got a little necklace. I don't want to take it out, but it's got like a little rhinestone or something there. Like a little star. So I love that. There's no price on the back. It says made in China. But it's new. And that might be, I'll try to look it up, but that might be a good gift with purchase. I will put prices on the screen for certain things in the box. If y'all are interested in purchasing like something you see, just email me at stinaresells@gmail.com. Okay, so this one looks like it came from the same place. They have like the same little skew at the bottom. It says, you have a piece of my heart. Make a wish and put on your necklace. Okay, and it's got a little gold tone heart cutout tag. That's really sweet. Okay, so that's awesome. So we'll have to see if they counted this as one. I hope so. That's nice. Two little Nuva Tags items. Next, we have a bubble. Oh my gosh. My son, I can already tell, is going to love these. We've got a pair of sunglasses, it looks like. Oh my gosh. These are hilarious. My son loves flamingos. He is going to die over these. Okay. You've got a pair, they're unbranded, a pair of sunglasses with a glittery flamingo and palm tree. Okay, you know I gotta put them on. How cute is that? He's gonna get a kick out of these. All right. Those are going to go to my son. He's going to love that. Okay. Next, we have a set of like hair clips, like really nice bobby pins. They've got little stones on them. The brand is Sunday State. There's no pricing on the back, so I'll have to look these up. It feels, I don't know if it's the cardstock on this or the actual clips. It might also be the clips. It feels pretty heavy. I love all things hair accessories, headbands. bobby pins, but these I think would be too heavy for my hair. They would fall right out, but those are adorable. You've got a pink, a multicolor, a blue, like a lavender, and then almost like a clear blue color. So that's cool. Love those. All right, let me give y'all another pink. Got a few clothing items. Okay, we've got a green bra. Got a lacy edge, and then the strap, and then the lace on the back. Oh, this is by Aerie. I have really good luck selling Aerie brand, which is the American Eagle like intimates line. This is in a 34A. There is a price of $39.95 on here, and obviously me with tags. I would probably list this around 20 or 25. So if anyone's interested in this, I'll do this for $10. Okay, next we've got a hat. This is so cool. We've got a green, kind of like a moss green terry cloth hat, new with tags. Let's see. And this is by Urban Outfitters. This was $25. So I would probably list this for around 12 or 15. So if anyone's interested in this, let's just say 6. That is cool. I'll give you another pink. I like to give you guys lots of peeks so you can kind of like see what I'm seeing. It looks like we've got some sort of pajama or robe or something. It's very silky. It is by the brand Adore Me. And it is in a 2X right there. And it looks like it's a robe. How nice. Got that. And then it's got that internal tie so that you can secure it on the inside. It's wrinkled up, but that's okay. I don't think new with tags. I don't see any tags. No. So if anyone's interested in this, let's say, I don't know, $8. All right, give y'all another pink. Okay, we've got so many goodies in here. I love this. Okay, looks like we got a swimsuit. Is it inside out? It's inside out. Hold on. We do have the liner, so that's good. It does have tags on it. It's a black one piece. I'm telling you everything I know as I'm figuring it out here. Very nice. Yeah, let's see what brand this is. Cup Sheen. I think I have sold this before, actually. Not this exact suit, but I've sold this brand before. I want to say maybe this is... Did I find it on Amazon? I can't remember. I don't remember. If anyone's interested in this one, it's a size medium. We'll say $8. That is awesome. All right. We have a scarf. Y'all know I love the scarves. Okay, so this is actually branded. I feel like the scarves that come in these boxes are almost never branded. It says by design, and then it says artist series. Now, attached to that, it has another tag, Demdaco, which I know they sell this brand like at my Hallmark, and I have some of their items. I think they do some little like interior decorations. I think they do jewelry and things like that. So this is really cool. Oh, wait, it's not a scarf. It's like a little vest. Oh, how cool. Look, there's the little armholes. Is there a flaw in here? What is that? Is that a hole? I don't know what this is. Okay, there's a little flaw. I'll show y'all. But I think you wear it like a little, you put it on, put your arms through it like a little vest. I think that's really cool. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing on it. Maybe that's why they threw it in here. There's this little like bump, right? So I don't know what that is, but it's almost like the material's coming off right there or something, but it's not a hole. So I'm not sure. Maybe it's just like a flaw in the fabric when they went to like print it. I don't know. But if anyone's interested in this, it's nice. $5. It does have that little flaw. Okay, next. These are so cute. I'm dying. Okay. We have a pair of earrings. These are so cute. They're Harry Potter books, y'all. Okay, stop swinging. They're Harry Potter books, and they actually like have like paper on the inside. Can y'all see that? Look how cool that is. Oh, I don't know if somebody made these or what. It looks like someone did make them. These are so cute. I think those are so fun. How cool. That's great. Certainly somebody will want those. If anyone's interested, let's just say like $5. Okay. Next, we have a pair of shoes. These feel like very light. Almost like a foam, but they're not soft. This does say 39 on it, but there's no way this is a 9. I would say this is like a 6 or something. They have this little, they've got 2 straps. They look brand new. Kind of cheaply made. It's not anything designer or anything like that. I don't know, but they're very lightweight. Interesting. They've got this kind of reptile print along the top. Oh, here's another one. Okay, so this says, someone wrote on the bottom B6. So I bet these are a size 6. $5. Anyone's interested? All right, next. We have a pair of slippers. Look at how cute those are. I love them. These say Fuzzy Feet Lazy One. These are in a large to extra large, fits shoe size 7 to 9. They've got this green little fur thing and little like sticky things on the bottom so you don't slip. And they've got little kitties all over them. I think those are so cool. I love that. These say Catitude Fuzzy Feet. Nice. Next, got a little wallet. Feels probably like a, like a fashion wallet. It's got the kind of reptile embossing. Looks brand new. There is a little tag here that's multicolored, which I think is interesting. I don't see any sort of markings or anything like that, but it's got all your slots. Stuff for a checkbook, bills. 2 slots there, actually. Oh, here's a tag. Let's see. It is written in Spanish. It's written in Spanish, so I don't really know. The brand might be Campbell? I don't know. I don't think I'm going to be made in Colombia. Okay, that's cool. Let's see if I can try to show you all the tag. It's right there. So that's neat. I'll have to look that up. It's in a really pretty green. Again, I had kind of a theme in this box, kind of blacks and greens. And it looks like it's never been used. That's nice. All right, last item in the box, in the very bottom. This says The Clark. Huh, okay. So you got black with the green writing, again, sticking with the theme. I love when they do a theme in here. kind of like a nylon bag. And I don't know what the Clark is. I'm gonna look for any other tags. There's an interior zip pocket in here, and that's it. That's a tote. So I'll have to look this up. I don't know what the Clark is, but I think this is really cool. I love that we got a themed box, y'all. Okay, so let's count up our items. So we got the Clark bag for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, which actually had 2 items in it. So I guess technically we got 14 items, although I'm counting this as 1, so 13. That was an awesome box, y'all. Now, I don't know if there's anything in here that's like, you know, worth like $300 or something. I do find those in here from time to time, but overall, this was an excellent box. I love the theming. I love the variety. Just love opening fun boxes. And I know that certainly with some of the new with tags items and the branded items, I will definitely make a profit on this box. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I will be back next week with a recap and 2 more unboxings. Make sure to like the video on your way out if you enjoyed it. And if you're not subscribed, please do. See y'all next time. Bye, y'all.